Hello and welcome to the second video in our video series about our hinterland pullover. Today we want to show you how to make the big front flap pocket. Iron-on interlining on one flap piece. Pin the pocket flaps right sides together and stitch along both short sides and one long side. Trim the seam allowance at the corners. Turn the piece right side out, shape the curves well and press the seams. Top stitch the pocket flap close to the edge and again 1 centimeter wide. The pocket flap forms the finished flap of the pocket. Mark the pocket opening and fuse interfacing over the marking on the wrong side of the fabric. Place the pocket flap on the right side of the fabric along the marked pocket opening. Lay the lining pocket bag over the pocket flap and stitch both down together. Place the main fabric pocket bag on the opposite side along the marked pocket opening and stitch it down, making sure that this seam is 1 centimeter shorter at each end than the pocket flap seam. When sewing down the pieces, make sure that your sewing line for the flap and lining bag ends exactly at your flap pocket endings. However, the lower pocket bag line should be about 7 to 10 millimeters shorter. Secure the lines with back stitches. From the wrong side, cut open the pocket opening and cut diagonally toward the seam ends so that small triangles form, taking care not to cut into the flaps and the pocket bags. Pull the pocket bag pieces through the opening to the inside and press. Fold the lower pocket bag to form a welt and press. The welt should fill the opening. Now secure that welt by sewing the line that forms of the folded welt and your upper seam allowance. Fold the upper pocket bag down, iron everything well. Pin the pocket bags together and sew them. Catching the triangles while sewing the bags together. Finish the edges of the pocket bag with a zigzag stitch. You can trim them to one size beforehand. It's handy to use pinking shears for extra durability. Thanks to the shortened seam on the main fabric pocket bag, the opening is perfectly concealed by the pocket flap. Sew on the snap fasteners in exactly matching positions. Thanks for watching how to make the big front pocket in our Hinterland pullover. See you in our next video.